Okay, so yesterday we had seen about that end of month, EO month, and also E date also we have seen. Okay. Now coming over here, and yes, we had seen the age calculation, which is your date difference function also we have seen. Now a few more functions today related to date. Now I'm just going to, come across this network days and working days and all. But before that, let me talk about this, like days, converting any date to what date, like day in a week. Okay, then what's the weekday and what's the week num? Those two functions and one customization. Let me show you and then we'll go ahead with the others. Hopefully my voice is audible and my screen is also visible. Yes. Okay, good enough. Okay. Now, I know that, okay, today is 18th and today is a Tuesday. I know that, right? But how does Excel come into that conclusion? How to get into that? First, let me copy this, okay, equal to B2. So C2 is now equal to B2. You can see it in the formula bar. So C2 is, it's nothing but equal to B2. Let me drag it now. So basically, I've just copied it from one cell to another cell. Just hold on a second. I'll just one second. Yes. This whole range of dates is pretty much selected. Let me go to the number formatting. I'll go to more number formats. Okay, let me come to custom. I want only the day part, like I want 18th as per Tuesday, na? So let me come to this type over it. It is very much shown in DD, MM and 4 Let me delete all. It just shows me the serial number of today's date, which is 18th. First D is for dates from 1 to 9. Like single digit dates will be there na? From 1st of the month to your 9th of the month. That D, single D is enough for it. For representing that's a single digit day, single D is enough. If I put 2D, it is very much enough to display from 1 to 30 or 1 to 28 or 1 to 31. Okay. We don't have 3-digit days and all, right? In a month at the maximum 31 only. So it's a 2-digit. So 2 Ds are pretty much enough to display the day number. Whatever the day, like today is 18, na? 18 is that number, na? So to display that, 2 Ds are pretty much enough. If I introduce the third D, it just displays me the first 3 letters or characters of any day. Like today is Tuesday, na? So first 3 letters is TWE. If I put 4D, the full day name will really come up. Do you get it? So first 2Ds means just to display the day part, nothing but the numerical value. If I go it for 3Ds means the day name, first 3 characters. And if I go for 4Ds, the full day is being displayed, which is nothing but Tuesday as for today's date. If I hit enter or OK, I am going to see this. But then this is all hash. It's the most common error. Okay. Don't worry, just expand that column width. You are going to see this. This will come not only for, okay, that's the reason is Wednesday is too big. For rest of them all, na, maybe 7 only. This has got some 9 Wednesdays of 9 character. Na? That's the reason it was the column width which was assigned to it. It was not enough to display the value. This kind of hash error will also come when you are trying any particular calculation results in a very big numerical value, maybe some billions of data, billion value you are trying to display over here. Okay, a 10 digit value, that time also it's going to display that hash thing. Don't worry, just adjust this column width, you're pretty much to go ahead. Okay, so all good. How I just converted the date, how I got the day name of each and every date. Yes. Okay. Now, uh, 1 minute. Okay. Now, instead of this name number like Tuesday, Wednesday, and all, I can give numbers also to this date. Like as in instead of Tuesday, I give it say some number two. Okay, instead of like based on Monday to Sunday or maybe Sunday to Saturday. Many of the places, a normal convention, general convention is there, like week starts from Sunday and it ends on a Saturday. Okay, although contrary to it, we do start working from Monday to Friday and we have weekend, that is your Saturday, Sunday off. That is different. But on a general convention, your week starts from Sunday and it ends on a Saturday. Okay, this numbering, how it can happen, like you can give the Sunday to Saturday, the numbering as your 0 to 6, you can have 1 to 7. But if in case you are, if your company or your government, that any other country you are residing in, and they have like, or the culture is like from Monday to Sunday is only the week, Monday is the day when the week starts and ends on a Sunday. If that's the culture or the convention being followed, you can have a different numbering also. So how to get that? And the function is nothing but weekday equal to weekday. See, weekday first one returns a number from 1 to 7 identifying the day of the week of a date. So I mentioned this. Now inside serial number means obviously the date only. There's something called return type also. I'll come to that. Okay, but that return type, if you see, it's in optional because it's a like enclosed within square brackets. By default, it's one only. Okay, like Sunday to Saturday only, the week is there, and the numbering is from 1 to 7. That is, Sunday is 1, Monday is 2, Tuesday 3, and so on until Saturday is 7. For this setting, like 1 to 7, Sunday to Saturday 1 to 7 numbering, the return type value is being given as 1. So if you mention 1, it will automatically give the numbering from 1 to 7 for Sunday to Saturday. If I go to the second one, Monday to Sunday, not Sunday to Saturday, but now a different convention, a bit of customization. Let me put in customization as in to say more are there. You can see there are more to the down. The number 2, return type number 2 means from Monday to Sunday, the numbering is 1 to 7. Then comes return type 3, which is same Monday to Sunday only, but the number is not from 1 to 7, it's from 0 to 6. Okay, there are others also. You can see over here Monday to Sunday, but then one more numbering is there, 11, and so on. All the some around how many? I can see 10 of them. In general, we go through the 1 2 3 only, like a bit of here and there, like maybe Sunday to Saturday or Monday to Sunday and all. Okay, at times if you see the below ones and all, at few BPO companies, if you see, they do follow the convention, like their Saturday Sunday won't be a holiday, it will be pretty much working for them, and maybe your Monday and Tuesday is a holiday. It could be that kind of a convention they are following. They will have different kind of return type, but these are predefined from Excel and with the available customizations pretty much there. As of now, if you put 1 means that's a default one. Okay, Tuesday is 3. How? It was your Sunday to Saturday and 1 to 6, no, 1 to 7. So Tuesday, yeah, Sunday is 1, Monday is 2, Tuesday is 3. Correct. Then Wednesday 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct. If I repeat this again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So instead of giving it a name, like we know the name, I know the day name, I know as Sunday to Saturday or Monday or whichever is it, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, my 7 days of the week, I know. Instead of giving coming off with the day name, I'm just providing a number to those days. That's it. Now, if you ask me what is the use of this particular weekday function means, I can use it for some kind of a comparison. As in to say, if I have some sales data given to me, okay, maybe some 6 months data, past 6 months data, or maybe past 1 year data, sales data is pretty much given to me. And in that data we do have date wise details very much given, like each and every single day how much sales has happened, how many, maybe if any product sales data has been given, means how much sales has happened on any particular day, what type of product has been sold, and so every other thing will be there, no? That sales data is definitely going to have a date also given to us. And date as in we can just browse over to find out this day, this part we can really browse in, okay, to convert all those dates to the day name, to just see, to have a idea in my mind as to on what all days the business is carrying out. Okay, in general I might say maybe on a Saturday Sunday might not be there, but yes, if you go to a car showroom, car showroom and all, Saturday Sundays the business is more compared to the other days, because people are free, they want to go for test drives and all when they are free. So we can have, as an analyst, as a data analyst, I can go in for a some kind of comparison, as in to say whether my business is like business on a weekday is more or on a weekend is more. If I can have a small comparison, I can just club up, say here 1 to this 1 to 7 numbering is given, na? Say the Saturday and Sunday is 7 and 1. So when the numberings are 7 and 1, I'll coin them as weekend. Rest of the days, that is from 3 to 6, no, not 3 to 6, my 2 to 6, right? Yeah, Monday to Friday. So 2 to 6 is my weekday. So I can just club up all these weekdays records into one area, and again I can club up the weekend sales records onto one area. Just club them, just find the total of my weekday sales and my weekend sales. I can have small comparison, like very much plotted onto a pie chart. Also, I can plot them up just to have a idea of as to whether my sales is higher on a weekend or it's higher on a weekday. So do you get my point? Why do I need this weekday at any time?
Yes.
Okay, one more function comes into picture over here, which is week number. The second one over here returns the week number in a year. We have 52 weeks in a year, na? So this particular date falls onto which week of the year? That's what this week number function is all about. Here also you have your return type. Never mind. First my serial number. Then what is the return type? Okay, return type as in again, see week starts from Sunday. Says this first one is by default. Okay, number one return type number one is default. So week starts from Sunday. Next one begins on Monday. Then one more Monday, but at a different numbering. So likewise, all of the days you have different numberings, and default is your one. Even if I don't mention, it's going to assume one only. It's an optional argument. We have discussed this before. Any optional argument, if we choose to ignore it, it's going to assume the default value. Here, the default value is one. So even if I don't mention, it will be one only. It's in the 12th week. We are in the 12th week of the year. You can really calculate this manually. Okay. If I come here, Jan, first say this is your first week, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we are at the 12th week. So from 23, it will be the 13th week. Yeah, from 23 is the 13th week. Yeah.